Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you are brand spanking new, this message is for you. If you've been here a little bit, this message is also for you. And if you've been here since day one, this message is definitely for you. This morning I found out that the channel has hit 2,000 subscribers and I am over the moon excited about it. I am super thrilled and this has just been an amazing experience and it keeps going, and that's the cool thing about this. So I just wanted to take a quick minute and thank everyone who has subscribed. I want to thank everyone who's passed along the channel to their friends and let them know that I exist. And I just want to also share a fun little thing that I've been working on as a means to celebrate hitting 2,000 subscribers. So stay tuned. I have worked on creating a new introduction for the channel. I hope you enjoy it. I had a lot of fun getting it pulled together and experimenting a little bit with some different programming stuff, but I'm thrilled that I have hit this point with the channel. I never expected it. The channel, I think, is still about 9 months old, believe it or not. So we'll see what's going to happen by the time it hits a year old. So thank you again to everyone who has subbed. Thank you again to everyone who has supported me in terms of getting things pulled together, learning how to use everything. And thank you as well, especially to the members of my Facebook group. You guys are absolutely amazing. I know each and every day when I go and check my group page that I'm going to see incredible things being made, wonderful supportive people, and the creativity is truly contagious. So if you haven't made it over there yet, please come on over. We'd love to have you there. So that's it for me. Here comes the new intro. I hope you like it. And again, thank you so much. See you later. Bye.